Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. Manually running a formatter after every edit or checking a policy before every command gets old fast. In Lesson 18, we meet the hooks command, which lets you attach scripts to points in Codex's workflow so those guardrails run automatically. Let's turn a manual habit into an automatic one. We keep forgetting to format after edits. Let's use hooks to make that automatic. We type the word hooks on its own to view what's configured. Codex lists the lifecycle points where a script can run, things like before a tool call and after one, and right now nothing is wired up, so the workflow is bare. Let's fix the formatting habit. We add a hook that fires after every tool call and runs our formatter. Codex registers it against that lifecycle event, so from now on the script runs on its own. No reminder needed from us. Now watch it fire in real work. Codex edits a file, and the moment that tool call finishes, the after-tool hook kicks in and formats what just changed. We didn't ask, it simply happened, exactly where we told it to. Hooks aren't only for formatters. The same before tool call point can gate risky actions, enforce a policy, or log activity for an audit trail. Anything you'd otherwise do by hand around the agent, you can make automatic here. So the mental model here is simple. Hooks turn one-off manual guardrails into standing, automatic ones. You describe what should run and exactly when, and Codex quietly handles the discipline for you on every single action from that point forward. Here's what to keep. The hooks command lets you view and manage scripts that run at points in Codex's workflow. Attach them to lifecycle events like before or after a tool call to run automatically. Use them to enforce policy, run formatters, or log activity without doing it by hand. Grab the full Codex CLI course at Standarity.com and join us in Lesson 19, where plugins install whole toolkits in one move.